The fear is gone. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, April the 23rd. And of course, yesterday we had that sudden sell-off on the fears of corporate taxes going into the 43% range. But obviously today, markets are soaring once again. So as you can see, cheap money rules the day, and money will chase yield. This is Bubba's Daily Update brought to you by our friends at the CTG Group. Again, they are our futures and commodities preferred broker. We have others, but they're the only ones authorized for our letter of direction trading. They're the only ones who give the greatest customer service and answer the phone all the time. And they trade all of my accounts. Plus, they have some terrific managed futures products. Check them out. info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, as I said, markets are exploding higher. The Nasdaq's up 100. The Russell's up about 400 now. So it's been a big week for the Russell, although we're short it. But the rest of the indices are up near their highs as well, as we continue to see this rally continue. And every time there's a sell-off, buyers step in, and that's just the way it's going to be until it's not. So as I like to say, these markets are going higher until they don't. In the meantime, the metals, gold and silver, that we are long both, had a reversal this morning. They were higher, and now they're both lower. Now, not dramatically, but we'll see where they go from. Obviously, the PMI number must have had some effect because bonds were higher. Bonds and notes were higher, which we are split. We're short, long bonds, short notes. They're both lower now after being higher, and they were higher fairly significantly early, along with the dollar, the dollar is now getting slaughtered once again. So, and we're short dollars, by the way. But so when you look at it, you can see that the reaction to the news. Now we'll see where we trade out from here. Remember, we don't care about the news; it's worthless, and I will maintain that position until the day they carry me out. Because again, it's better to react than try to predict it. In the meantime, copper is exploding once again, and we're long. Nat gas is slightly higher, and we're long. And crude oil, which was lower, is now higher and exploding past 62, and we're long. So, again, we're in pretty good shape. Can't complain at the overall action. And listen, there's good days, there's bad days, but at the end of it, as long as you're cashing, that's all that counts. And as we look at the grains and livestock, well, geez, so shocking. Grains are down a little bit today, as we have the May expiration starting. The options expired today, and of course next week the futures expire. So we're actually watching July, and we're lower. I mean, slightly, nothing dramatic, especially when you figure in the rally, and we remain long across the board. And on the other side of the coin, the protein complex, cattle and hogs, which we are short across the board, they are a little bit higher, and not a shock at all. When you take a look at the chart and see the dramatic drops, you should not have any shock whatsoever. It's probably just another selling opportunity. And of course, in the softs, well, pretty good report today in the softs. Cotton is higher, we're long. OJ is flat to lower, we're short. Coffee is exploding, we're long. Sugar is higher, we're long. Cocoa is slightly higher to flat, and we're short. So pretty good set, pretty good week. And, again, we keep score by total portfolio, okay? And at the end of the day, how we did week by week. Because, again, I can't stand people that want to get involved in the irrational behavior that happens during the day, just like yesterday's sell-off. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, and don't let emotions control you. This is Bubba's Daily Update, and don't forget our other brokerage partner at Tradier and Tradier Brokerage. Listen, it's $10 a month. So, in these times, in all times, but especially now, you're trying to save a little money. You can save enough money to fund your IRA. Now, I have other brokers But for active trading, I'm going to Tradier. I'm paying $10 a month instead of 18 to 20,000 at other places. So again, I'm just telling you that, and they got great customer service. Plus, we have their APIs. We have the ability to automate our portfolio programs should you decide to do so. There is no requirement. There is no extra cost for it. It is part of your membership if you're a member or a client at Tradier. And of course, our partners at Family Farms, well, again, we work together trying to help farmers do better with what they've got and use the tools that they've already got around them. And I'm really excited for the July event. I can't wait to get out of the house and get on the road. So it'll be great. And they do such a great job. They're wonderful partners. And, listen, I talk about the commodity report. Andy Hecht is by far the most brilliant writer and I had understanding of these markets. If you've ever listened to him on Monday night with me, okay, he is phenomenal when it comes to understanding these commodity markets. And you just see the way he writes about them. So check it out, Technimental at BUBBATrading.com. And of course, our high school program, as we try to re-educate and give some good financial literacy to our children. Next year when we get back to school, you can help us out at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you once again on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line, and enjoy the weekend. We'll see you later.